In this essential Android tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect Android to a printer wirelessly. We will explore how to use the built-in default print service to print from your phone, and how to manage mobile printing for documents and photos without needing a computer. You have an important document or a great photo on your phone that you need on paper right now. In the past, you would have to email the file to yourself, boot up your computer, download the file, and then print it. That is a lot of wasted time for a simple task. Your smartphone is more than capable of talking directly to your printer, effectively cutting out the middleman. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up this connection in seconds. We will cover the native method that works for 99% of modern printers using your local Wi-Fi network. By the end of this video, you will be able to hit print on your phone and watch your printer start working immediately. To get this working, you need two primary things. First, you need your Android smartphone updated to a reasonably recent version of the operating system. Second, you need a wireless-capable printer that is powered on. The most critical requirement is that both your Android phone and your printer must be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If your phone is on 5G data or a guest network, it will not be able to see the printer. Let's get these devices connected using the system's built-in tools. You need to open the Settings app on your Android phone. To save time scrolling, tap the search icon or bar at the top of the Settings menu and type the word Printing. You will see an option appear that says Printing or Default Print Service. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the connection hub. You need to ensure that the default print service is toggled to the on position. Once this is active, your phone will automatically start scanning the Wi-Fi network for compatible devices. After a few moments, you should see your printer's name appear in the list, which means the connection is established. For me, it seems I cannot find the printer with the default Android printer service. If your phone finds the printer when the connection is ready, you need to know how to actually print. Go to the app where your file is located, such as Google Photos for an image or Google Drive for a PDF document. Tap the Share button or the three-dot menu options and look for the Print icon. When you tap it, a preview screen will appear. At the top of this screen, tap the drop-down menu to select the printer you just found in the settings. Finally, tap the Print button, and your document will be sent wirelessly to the printer. While the default service works for most people, major printer brands like HP, Canon, Epson, and Brother often have their own dedicated apps in the Google Play Store, such as the HP Smart app or Canon Print. Installing the specific app for your brand can often give you better results and more features, like the ability to scan documents to your phone or check ink levels. I have an Epson printer, so I will install the app for this specific provider. Tap on Add Service. I will tap on the Epson iPrint app. The developer should be listed as Seiko Epson Corporation. Tap the green Install button to start the download. Once the app is installed, go back to the settings page. You will see the new service you installed. Tap it. The app will now search your local Wi-Fi network for any compatible Epson printers. After a few seconds, your printer's name should appear. Tap on your printer's name. The app will take a moment to connect and check the printer's status. You are now ready to print. You can go to any app and print a document and a picture. I will go and print a page from a PDF. You can see how I do it now when I talk about other important things. What if you run into problems? The most common issue is that the phone says no printers found. If this happens, double-check your Wi-Fi connection on both devices. Sometimes routers have two frequencies, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and some older printers get confused if they aren't on the exact same frequency as the phone. If the printer appears but the print job gets stuck, try clearing the print spooler cache. You can do this by going to Settings, then Apps, showing System Apps, and finding the print spooler to clear its storage, which essentially resets the printing system. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to connect Android to a printer using the native default print service. We walked through the settings to enable the service, verify the connection over Wi-Fi, and send a print command directly from an app. You now have the ability to turn your digital files into physical copies instantly, making your mobile office much more efficient. I truly hope this mobile printing guide was helpful and saved you some time. If it did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested in more tutorials on how to make your smartphone even smarter, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you use the default Android printing service, or do you prefer the specific app from your printer's manufacturer? I'm very curious to know which one you find more reliable. Thank you for watching.